Tired of program management chaos? Today, we're diving into how to use Jira for program management, turning that chaos into streamlined progress. First, understand what Jira is and the capabilities it offers. Jira is a powerful project management tool perfect for managing different types of projects or programs. To start using Jira, sign into your account, then navigate to the project section in Jira. You might have multiple projects here. Within a project, click on your target program. This is your program's central hub, where you'll organize everything here. We implement your program strategy now. Click on the Boards tab that show the tasks in Jira. We can break your overall program into tasks. You can have things like requirements, tasks, features, and user stories, which will show what's being worked on, its status, and who's responsible. To create a task, look for a Create button and specify the task details, like a title, description, due date, priority, and assignee. Tasks get assigned for individuals to complete. Depending on the project, task statuses can be changed or modified to reflect progress from to-do to in progress, review, and finally, done. Jira lets you track and report on program goals, which helps with providing visibility to stakeholders. To track these program goals, use the Report section that provides charts and insights on how your project tasks are performing. Jira's dashboards offer real-time views of progress. This allows for effective program oversight and ensures stakeholders are aligned with the project. Start using Jira and transform program management today.